Have you been experiencing more dryness, redness, sensitivity, or even more breakouts on your skin? Well, this could all be a sign that your skin barrier needs more love. Your skin barrier acts as a protective shield. It keeps all the bad things out and the moisture in. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 tips for both maintaining and repairing your skin barrier. My name's Sophia. I've been working in the beauty and wellness industry for over 15 years, and my mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. So before we get into the solutions and how we can repair our skin barrier, let's first understand what it is and why it gets damaged in the first place. Our skin barrier, it's also called our moisture barrier or our lipid barrier. It's the outermost layer of our skin. It consists of ceramides, lipids, fatty acids, and natural moisturizing factors. And basically what it does, it locks in that hydration and protects our skin against external stressors. So how do you know if you have a damaged or compromised skin barrier? Well, look out for signs like redness, flakiness, dryness. Skin sensitivity is a big sign, and also the occasional breakout. These are all signs that your skin is struggling to retain that moisture and also to protect itself against those outside irritants. Now, there's many reasons why your skin barrier might get disrupted, but some of the most common reasons include over-cleansing. So using a cleanser that's too harsh or cleansing too much, so you're stripping your skin of its natural oils. Another common reason is over-exfoliation. Exfoliation is brilliant when it's done correctly, but when you do it too much, again, it can strip your skin of its natural oils and protective barrier. And then the third reason is our products. When we're using products that are too harsh on our skin, like products with alcohol or perfumes, they can really affect that barrier. And also our active ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and acids. They're fantastic for many skin conditions. But when they're used incorrectly or incorrectly for our skin types, they can really disrupt that balance of our skin. The environment can also affect our skin barrier. Being in really cold temperatures or windy climates, or just having a lot of pollution can really affect that barrier. And then we have things like age and medical conditions that can affect it as well. And now moving on to the top tips to treat that damaged skin barrier. Tip number 1, exfoliation. This is fantastic under the right conditions, but when your skin is irritated, make sure you're not exfoliating. So put that on hold until your skin is calm and not reactive. This can be for a couple of weeks, and then implement it slowly. So start once a week and then move on to twice a week, and whatever is right for your skin type. Remember, as long as your skin is reacting, that exfoliation will only harm your skin. Tip number 2, look at your skincare ingredients. Harsh ingredients like perfumes and alcohol should never be part of your skincare routine because they will only damage your skin. But also have a look at your active ingredients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and acids. These can be brilliant for treating various skin concerns from aging to acne to pigmentation. But when you have a damaged skin barrier, this is your number 1 concern. And before you treat this, you want to put these ingredients on hold because they will only irritate your skin. Tip number 3, look at your cleansers and review those ingredients. Make sure that it's sulfate-free, alcohol-free, and perfume-free. And also make sure you're not cleansing more than twice a day to make sure you're not stripping that natural moisture barrier. Now, moisturizing will be key to restore that skin barrier. So look out for hydrating ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and fatty acids that really help rebuild and restore that skin barrier. And let's go into these barrier restoring ingredients in a little bit more detail now. Now, ceramides are lipid molecules that naturally occur in our skin's barrier. They both help keep the skin hydrated and prevent that moisture loss. A great brand for ceramides is CeraVe, and this is recommended by dermatologists because it's great for sensitive skins. It's full of ceramides and also contain other moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and squalane. And here's for a pro tip: always apply moisturizer when your skin is slightly damp. This will help really lock in the moisture. Niacinamide or vitamin B3 is both anti-inflammatory and helps repair a damaged skin barrier. It reduces redness, it soothes an irritated skin, and it also helps with the production of ceramides. Now, this ingredient can be found in La Roche-Posay, which is another dermatology recommended brand. In particular, they have a line called Lipicar, which is very effective for barrier repair. A great ingredient to look out for is glycerine. It's a humectant, meaning that it pulls water from the air, binding it into your skin, keeping it hydrated and protecting that moisture barrier. Another great ingredient to look out for is omega fatty acids. Many of them contain something called linoleic acid, which is really great at moisturizing your skin and protecting that skin barrier. Now look out for Avène's Ceracom range. This contains both glycerine and linoleic acid, and it's specifically formulated for a damaged skin barrier. Now here's for a pro tip. If you want to wake up with super hydrated and dewy skin, what you want to do is apply a generous layer of either Aquaphor cream or Vaseline after applying your moisturizer. What this does is it locks in the moisturizer in your skin. It prevents any kind of moisture from escaping, and it allows the product to work twice as hard on your skin. It's a process called slugging, and it will help really to plump up your skin, and it helps repair your moisture barrier. If you'd like to learn more about slugging, I would recommend you next watch my video called How to Plump Up Your Skin in 1 Night with Slugging. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with whoever might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on well-being and beauty. And as always, I would love to hear from you, so please comment below. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.